Are you struggling with acne? You're not alone. Welcome to the Explorer's Life and Learning Hub. On this platform, we talk about all things health and lifestyle. Let's dive right in. This video is about the different types of acne and what you can do about them. Discover the different types of acne and what to do about them. Acne can be categorized into two main types, non-inflammatory and inflammatory. Let's start with non-inflammatory acne, which includes whiteheads and blackheads. These types aren't painful and often sit underneath the skin. Whiteheads occur when pores get clogged with bacteria and dead skin cells, forming closed comedones. To treat them, use over-the-counter products with salicylic acid. It helps dissolve the sticky cells and prevents future breakouts. Start with 2.5% benzoyl peroxide. Higher percentages can irritate sensitive skin. Next are blackheads. These have oxidized tops, creating that dark spot. Treatment is similar to whiteheads, but be patient, as they take longer to clear. Avoid pore strips. They may provide instant results, but damage your skin's protective layer in the long run. Now let's talk about inflammatory acne, which can be painful. This includes papules, pustules, nodules, and cystic acne. Papules develop from blocked pores that become red and inflamed. Use salicylic acid to reduce bacteria and heal skin from the inside out with antioxidants. Pustules contain pus and are common on the face and back. Dermatologists might recommend antibiotics, but be cautious. Side effects can hurt your gut. Focus on topical treatments while nurturing your body internally. Nodular acne appears as flesh-colored bumps deep within the skin. Don't pop them, they can cause more damage. Lastly, cystic acne feels softer and is visibly filled with pus. For effective treatment and understanding of your skin, refer to pictures showing these acne types and their solutions. Visit a dermatologist and start your journey toward clear skin today. For more educational information about this and other health-related topics, please visit the Explorer Life and Learning Hub page. Please check out the links in the video description if you would like to generate engaging videos like this one, using Pictory Eye. Don't forget to subscribe for more.